What's the difference between enough and too? Hello everyone, welcome back to my English Planet. Today we're talking about two small but super important words in English. Enough and too. These words are always confused, but no worries, I'm here and I want to clear up the differences between these two words in only 2 minutes. So if you're ready, let's go. Number 1, too. This tea is too hot. I cannot drink it. Or this tea is too cold. I hate drinking a cup of cold tea. So too hot, too cold. The word too means more than necessary, more than the amount you want. It has a negative meaning and it shows that you have a problem with a specific thing. Like, this room is too dark. Please turn on the light. Or, this bag is too heavy, heavier than I can carry. So, the word too is used before adjectives or adverbs. Adverbs like, she speaks or she talks too fast. I cannot understand what she says. Or, can you walk a bit faster? You walk too slowly. Okay, let's go to number 2. Enough. Like, this tea is warm enough. My favorite. The room is bright enough. So we don't need to turn on more lights. So the word enough means not too much and not too little. Just the right amount you want. So it has a positive meaning. And we use the word enough after the adjectives or adverbs. Like, she speaks fast enough. I can understand whatever she says. Or, this bag is light enough. I can carry it myself. Okay? But what about these examples? We have enough time, so we can answer the questions, the other questions. Or, we have enough apples, so let's make a delicious pie. So, enough apples, enough time. Apples and time are not adjectives, they're nouns, and we can use the word enough before nouns, but after adjectives. So that's it. I could tell you everything about the differences between too and enough in only 2 minutes. I'm so glad about it. Okay, everyone. So tell me what you think about this video. Was it useful for you or not? And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel because there are more videos like this on my channel and you can watch them and learn lots of things. But before that, don't forget to answer this quiz. I write some sentences here for you and I want you to fill in the blanks with too and enough. So please pause the video and answer these questions. Don't forget to comment your answers. I'm going to check them all. So I love you all and I will see you in the next video. Bye!